Hello all, our project title is Implementation of Streetlight Control with Manhole Monitoring. Project guide Mrs. G. Vinata, student details Anupriya, Soumeshri and Akhil Pawan. Let us look into our project. A streetlight is a major source of light on roads. Advantages of streetlights are prevention of accidents and increase in safety. These days, if a streetlight is not glowing, it will be so for several days. This may be because of the information is not reached to certain authorities. This project represents a system for monitoring the working of streetlights and reports the information to municipal authorities. In addition, this concept also represents the implementation and design function of an underground drainage and manhole monitoring system and reports to the concerned municipal authorities. The project described here is quietly useful for the state electricity and municipal departments. Generally, the lineman, either he belongs to electricity department or municipality, it is the duty of him to energize the streetlights in the evening, preferably after sunset, and he is supposed to be switched off these lights early in the morning when the sun is raised again. Unfortunately, due to many reasons, the lineman might forget to switch off the lights in the morning. In this regard, lot of energy is wasted, resulting power cuts. It will also focus on monitoring manholes using sensors. If drainage gets blocked and water overflows, and if manhole lid is open, it is sensed by the sensors. Then that sensor sends the information via GSM module which is located in that area to the corresponding managing station. Coming to block diagram, Arduino is the heart of our project. Relay, LCD display, fuse for fault detection, 3 LDRs, GSM module, keyboard, water level sensors are connected to Arduino. This is the circuit diagram of our project. Coming to flowchart, we have 5 applications in our project. The first application is using an LDR. It is connected to street lights. As we all know, it is used to sense the light. So when it is day, the street lights are off, and when it is night, the street lights are on. So the process is automatic. And our second LDR is placed exactly under the street light, very close to the street light, so that whenever the street light is on, the process is stopped. But when a street light is not on, that is the street light is off, there comes the other application, that is giving a text to municipality department. So our third application is using a password. So as we all know, whenever lineman goes to repair any street light, there are many fault conditions due to many miscommunication. They are losing their lives. So for that condition, we had set up a password here so that the lineman can enter the password such that the power supply to the street light is off. So as soon as the repairing is done, he can re-enter the password and the power supply is given back. So our fourth application is LDR 3. This LDR is placed near the manhole lid so that whenever the light falls on the lid, that is when the lid is open, the text is given to municipality department, and also there are red indicators near the lid showing that the lid is open. So whenever the lid is closed, the process is stopped. Our fifth application is for the underground drainage. That is, we have 2 sensors at 50% and 70% to monitor the leveling in underground drainage. So whenever the water level inside reaches 50%, a text will be given to municipality departments. The same with 70% also. Coming to components, we use Arduino Mega, LDR sensor, relay module and GSM module. For a quick explanation of our project, we have 5 applications. 3 are using LDRs. The first LDR is used to sense whether it is a day or night, and the second one is used to sense whether the street light is on or off, and the third one is used whether the lid is open or closed of a manhole. Fourth application is password, and our fifth application is the water level sensors at 50% and 70% of the underground drainage level. The main aim of our project is just to monitor the street light and manhole and also the underground drainage level, and informing to municipality departments or the certain authority. Coming to the results, these are the text messages received for municipality departments regarding the faults with clear location and the fault. This is the result of LCD display when the manhole is open and closed. Level is above 50%, below 50% and also above 70%, and street light is on and off. Whenever the lid is closed, the red indicators are off, and the lid is open, the red indicators are on. So this is the physical circuitry of our kit. We have two street lights, one for red indicators and one for the street lights application. Whenever the lid is closed, red indicators are off. So when the lid is open, red indicators are on. The LDR for street lights is given below. When it is closed, that is, it is night, so the street light is on. Coming to the LCD display, we can see the manhole lid, water level sensors and street light, whether it is off or on. So those are the electrodes, that is water level sensors for 50% and 70% level indicators. We have a password of 4 keys, where when the password entered, the power supply will be off, that is, the street light should be off. Thank you for watching.